Welcome to Captain's Marine Online. The following demo illustrates how to use our online course. When you log on, you'll put in your username, password, and then click Login. Once you've logged in, you'll notice on the left-hand side where the cursor is, this is the OUPV course. That's the name of this course. And underneath OUPV are all the different subjects covered in this class, including a final review at the bottom of the menu bar. Now we're going to go up to Rules of the Road and slide across to Steering and Sailing, Conduct and Any Visibility, Rules 4 through 10. So at the top of the page, you see Rules of the Road, Conduct and Visibility. In the upper right-hand corner, you see the play button for the audio. You'll click on the play button, and you'll notice below in the lower right-hand corner, an audio bar comes out, and you can scroll down and follow the text as you read it while the audio bar is playing. So you can follow along. Now looking at the audio bar in the lower left-hand corner, you have a pause button. You can stop the audio at any time. There's a volume control lever where you can slide the volume control higher or lower to your desired level. And you can fast forward the audio if you wish to fast forward to review a particular section or question, or you can retard it or rewind it back to re-listen to something over again. There, the arrow bar on the right-hand side, just clicked on it. That removes the audio bar, and you can, on the right-hand side, scroll back up to the top. And now you can read the text material, or you can, as you can see, the lower left-hand side, reopen the audio bar to continue playing the audio. You can stop the audio by clicking the play button in the upper right-hand corner, or click the audio bar and turn it off in the lower left-hand. Going back to the menu bar on the left-hand side, we're going to go into plotting, and under time, distance, and speed, click on it. And this section covers plotting at the top. Again, deals with time, distance, speed calculations. You can scroll down and follow along as the audio plays and you're reading the text. There also is a video there. We're going to go to the center of the video and click the play button. And now you have a video on how to solve for time, distance, and speed. The video will begin to play. You'll notice in the lower right-hand side of the video, there's a full screen button. You also have a volume control button at the bottom there where you can slide the volume control left or right to increase or decrease the volume. You can also fast forward and replay something. There we've clicked on the full screen mode. Now it goes to full screen. And you can also fast forward the full screen if you wish to re-review something or work ahead or go back and review something over again. If you clicked on the fast forward or review in the forward position, there in this particular case is a demonstration of how to walk your parallel rulers from a known course between two objects over to the outer ring of the compass rose to determine what heading it is. And in a second, we're going to take it back from full screen to normal size. There. Now it's back to normal size. And there's a demonstration, once again, of walking your parallel rulers from one point to another to the center of the compass rose, which we'll cover later. Now, if you scroll down further after you finish the video portion, you can click on Quiz to take a test on calculating for time, distance, and speed. We're initially going to answer all 5 questions incorrectly to demonstrate what happens if you miss a question. So follow the cursor as it goes down, and we're going to answer these 5 questions, again on time, distance, and speed calculations. We're going to purposely answer them incorrectly to show you what happens in that case. So after you've answered your questions, you click on Submit, which we'll do next. Follow the cursor, lower left-hand corner. Now it says at the top, time, distance, and speed, your score is 0 out of 5. You've missed the following questions, and it will list each question that you missed, and it'll show you a screenshot of how you should have done that question correctly, and it'll give you the correct answer. If you scroll down, that was question number 1. Here comes question number 2 with a screenshot. Again, it gives you the correct answer. In this case, it was 9:53. And it gives you a screenshot of how your plot should have looked and any calculations you should have done. And if you follow it down, it does the same thing for answers 3, 4, and 5. Now at the bottom of the page, after number 5, you'll see a red retry button where it says, please try again, because you didn't pass if you missed 0 out of 5, obviously. So we're going to hit retry. And now you get the same questions again, and you could do them over again. We're going to answer them all correctly in this demo. Notice how all 5 are being marked, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And after you answer number 5, you're going to once again submit your answers. After number 5 is clicked, there we're going to hit submit, and look at the top of the page after that. It says, congratulations, 100%, your score is 5 out of 5. Now, if you wish to go on to the next section to proceed further, you'd click pass and continue to continue on. And now you have the next section in plotting, which is dealing with plotting, and it says set and drift on the left upper side. And there's a demonstration or an example of your set and drift. And you would do the same procedure as you did in the preceding one. You have a help center or help button. You needed help. If you're having trouble, you'd click on the help at any time. When you get to the help center, you're going to put in your first name, your last name, your phone number with the area code, your email address, the subject of your question, for example, plotting, under set and drift. If that's what your question was, then the message. Then you would hit submit. Looking at the toolbar on the left-hand side again, you click on it for final review on your menu bar, and there's a final review of all the quizzes you're responsible for, so you can review any one of these quizzes as it's shown at any time to get ready as a final review for your final exam. It's very important to work on these questions because that demonstrates you know the material. Look in the upper part of your page, you click on log out, and now you've logged out. Captain's Marine Online is compatible with smartphones and tablets.